Today we're going to take a closer look at the Riley & Co horizontal planner.
Now, this specific one is in like a nice sort of mauvey pink. It's really nice and feminine and delicate, but I think it did come in other colours if I remember rightly. And this is an A5. It is a spiral bound. There was no customization, but I think the colourway is really nice. Little slip in there to tell you more about it and sign up for information. Put that to one side. The front cover is of the plasticky type. It'll be really good for protecting your planner if you maybe put it in your bag quite a lot or just are a bit messy like me. And in the front there, you have got a 26, 27 and 28 overview of the year. So this might be quite good for marking things like holidays, maybe shifts, things like that. Just simple places, maybe put dots. If you're tracking something monthly, for example, you know what I mean? You might want to put dots on it. This is nice, or just use it as a nice little overview. Then you've got a sort of timetable planner here. So you can put in there what you're doing between 6 a.m. and 7 p.m. It is a Monday start, but it does go right through to Sunday. You've got a note section there. Maybe you need it for like colour coding. So maybe you want to colour code it rather than writing it in. That might be a good option for you. The paper is a pure white, so it looks really nice. The paper thickness, I'd say, is probably about 80 GSM, maybe 90 GSM, but it feels nice and smooth. You've got another timetable there and a page for notes. Maybe you want to put directions to a class or a location, something like that. And then we move on to the month markers, and that's got a nice blank there. So maybe you could use this for journaling, planning. There's no reason why you couldn't use this page for other things like making notes of events, which is probably what I would do with it. Then you've got your month overview goal. This plan does start in July. It is angled as an academic, but you can, if you're not academic, I'm not, so you can certainly go ahead and use it. You've got a space for your monthly goals, your priorities and your to-dos, and then just a general space at the bottom, maybe for notes. And then you move on to your monthly overview. Again, this is a Monday start. You've got goals, important dates and notes there. And also some nice space here. Maybe you want to put some stickers, some washi tape, give it a little bit of decoration. This is a horizontal, so if you're a horizontal person, you like to write across the page, this is going to be absolutely perfect for you. Again, we've got the Monday start there, a really nice font actually. I like this font. You've got a June and July box over there in case you just want to quickly refer to anything. That's nice as well. Also, I should have pointed out all the tabs here for the months are nice different colours, but they're not jarring. I think they're really complementary. This is going to be a good one if you tend to be a Monday to Friday heavy person and the weekends are a bit more free, because the Saturday and Sunday are blocked together like this. And at the end of the month, you've got again another note page, and then moving on to the next month, you've got the repeater. And again, it's going to be the same throughout the whole year. And the very back, it ends with the last week of June, a note page, and then finally the back page as well. And that is the back cover. This is a really good, simple, clear, and does exactly what you need it to do kind of planner. The spiral is a nice quality, it does match, and I think the colourway here is really nice and complimentary. I think this is a really good everyday planner, diary, really good for keeping track of homework, classes, that kind of thing. And I think the quality is really nice. The tabs are nice and strong, and I think there's plenty of space for most people to write in what they need to write in. So overall, I think the Riley & Co planner is absolutely fabulous.